Hey guys, welcome back to Asantech. This is another video tutorial on how to make money online. The previous video I uploaded is about cheaper cash, how you can make some money using cheaper cash. But for today, it is InksNation. I would like you guys to read more about InksNation before you register because none of us who have registered have really earned from it because the earning date starts is counting down here. As you can see, the earning date is counting down here. 56 days, 12 hours, minutes, blah 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 blah. You will see all those things. And this is the notes you all need to read before you register on InksNation. Here, from here, will be coming down, coming down. And these are the plans here. Bronze, which is 1000 naira, Nigerian naira, and silver, which is 10,000 Nigerian naira, and gold, which is 100,000 naira, diamond, which is 1 million naira. And diamond is the last plan here. After you have read all this and you understand it fully, and you really have passion to register, just come back here and click on sign up. When you click on sign up, this is the pop-up message that you get. Just select a plan. I go for bronze, which is 1000 naira. Then input your username. Choose the email. I would like to choose excuse me. Excuse me. Keyboard. I don't like this keyboard anymore. Email I would like to choose. This is my email I will choose. And the password. I will choose on it. I will choose then you select your country because this is worldwide. You can do this from any country in the world. That is why you see so much country. I'm looking for my dear country, Nigeria. This is Nigeria. I'll input my pin to be. I will later change all this because I cannot just display my sensitive informations. I will change it as soon as I register. Then you mark this. You mark it. Then sign up. Click on sign up. Send in. Just wait. Exercise patient is signing in already. Registration successful. Yeah, the registration is successful. No, I don't want to save it. You are not yet a full member. Kindly contact your introducer to scan to fund your QR code. Pay the sum of 1000 naira. That is, which is the 1000 naira is the bronze is for bronze plan, which we selected. I have to pay the 1000 naira before I will get my account fully activated. So these are the payment option. Pay the sum of 1000 naira to the person, send proof of payment and your username to the person for activation of your account with this using pay for me. So you kindly send this See this first one here, and this can be anything, and this can be anything depending on the one you choose for yourself. So you send it to the person who referred you, or you click here. If nobody introduced you to InksNation, click on the red ink. This is the pop-up message. It's still the same thing. You have to pay this person 1,000 naira and then send evidence of payment to him on WhatsApp. This is one of their agents. But it will be easier for you to pay to somebody that you trust, or to somebody that you know, because this person is the one answering everybody in Nigeria who are not introduced to InksNation by their friends or by anybody, and they really want to enter. So they really want to register. So this number has a higher number of people messaging him on WhatsApp. And seriously, if you want to register with this number, it will take up to 72 hours before you get your account registered, because he has so much messages that you have to attend to. So my advice to you guys is, you just look for somebody who can register you, or who has the card to register you, or anybody you trust online that already created the account and can pay for you. And if you don't have any, I wouldn't mind if you can if you trust me enough and send me the amount, the 1,000 naira or any amount you choose for your plan, for me to register you as soon as you make your payment, because I'm always online. I will link my number, my WhatsApp number on the description, in the description down below, and also I will write it here on the screen for easier assessment. So that is all. After the full registration, you will have full access to all these things on background, like red ink, all these things on background. You have access to it. You see your wallet. You can control everything in your account, and I think that is everything you need to know about InksNation.